Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, August 24th. It's 4:17 p.m. The regular session for the futures markets just closed on Eastern time. You can see the date and time here. Just want to remind everybody we never use a market replay. This is recorded in real time. So the regular session just closed. Making today's video, we have a few things to show you. Just going to bring over the time and sales. You can see the last trade here just before the market close was 21.75 in the EMini SP. Before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, only a few systems traded today. I had some technical issues. First up is the crude oil on the Superenco 6-tick, and this is using our line break algorithm. And this did pretty well today. It did 900, a little bit shy of its daily goal. We can see the line break signal here. This was a long line break signal, and we're actually using a limit order here with a pullback of 4 ticks. And we can see our fill. It looks like not from the close of the bar, but from the line break signal, looks like we pulled back maybe 3 ticks. Nevertheless, on this, there was a number of trades. What I wanted to show here was the equity curve. And so if we go to the beginning equity curve, which began right here at 10:30, we had a little bit of a drawdown, only about $200. That was the first trade, was a loser here. And with the line break algorithm, it got stopped out because of the line break signal here. And again, looking at our equity curve, after that, there was quite a few winners, and you can see the losers were very small. And then there was another little losing trade here of a couple of $100, and then generally up once it had its first loser. Here's the equity curve. And so actually a pretty good equity curve, even though there was a number of trades. So our line break algorithm is quite unique. It can be plotted on any bar type, and then it uses the line break logic. And you see the signals here, and then the pullback with our limit order. So pretty interesting way to trade. Blue Wave Trading is the only vendor using line break, or probably the only vendor that ever even really talks about it. So line break is a wonderful method of trading. There's tremendous potential using 3-line break or line break logic in your trading. Okay, next up is the EMini SP on the Superenco 8-tick. And here we're looking at a really nice short trade that was about 45 minutes after the open, and really great entry and exit here. I think that was it for the day. It was just a single trade. So actually really excellent performance on 2 contracts. That's $400 a contract, which is 32 ticks per contract. So pretty excellent performance on this, just a single trade. Okay, next up is the EMini SP on the Superenco 6-tick, and this does not start trading until the lunch hour around 12:30, and this is also using our line break algorithm. We can see the line break signals here, and we had a small loser to start, and then 2 really nice winners, and then of course closed at the end of the session here. So this did 412.50 on 2 contracts. Okay, this is the first time I've plotted the Japanese yen, and using the line break algorithm on this, and this did 250 for the day on 2 contracts. And here's our equity curve. Started trading around 4 in the morning or so, and not much of a drawdown here. We had a little bit higher equity, but still trying to figure out this market here. I was showing the British pound, but the British pound futures doesn't seem like that great of a market to trade based on the volume and the volatility. So I was trying some different Forex uh, futures to run the auto trader on, and the yen looks like it has some larger moves, and you can see it caught this really nice short here, and then had a couple of losers at the end. So looks like the equity high was about maybe $500 or so, a little bit higher than this. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you want to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website or shoot us an email to systems@blueatrading.com. Thanks for watching today.